Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber. This is my first video of the new year, so I want to wish you a happy new year. I hope this new year brings you exciting opportunities, endless possibilities, and the courage to chase your dream. In today's video, I am going to be trying out AG Hair Care. AG Hair Care is a Canadian brand that specializes in professional hair care. They're known for their high quality ingredients and innovative formulas. They offer a wide range of products for different hair types and concerns. Some of their popular products include shampoos, conditioners, styling products, and treatments. Whether you need to hydrate hair, add volume to fine hair, or repair damaged hair, AG Hair Care has a product for you. I washed my hair the night before and put my hair into 2 braids without using any products. So before applying anything to my hair, I am splitting my hair into sections and detangling the section I'm working with. The first product I'm applying is the Recoil Activator. This activator is supposed to define curls, seal in moisture without leaving hair stiff or sticky. It's also vegan and formulated with the key ingredients tomato extract and rice amino acids. It's free of silicone and parabens as well. The Curl Activator is one of their best sellers and is also an award-winning curl cream. The consistency of this product is watery and it has a lot of slip. Although it's lightweight, it did moisturize my curls and it also has a unique scent that is not overpowering. I first just raked it through my hair and then used my Tangle Teezer to define my curls. Next, I'm applying AJ Care's Mousse Gel. This product combines the hold of a gel with the lightweight texture of a mousse. It provides a long-lasting hold and control without leaving the hair feeling stiff or crunchy. It can be used on wet or dry hair and is suitable for all hair types. It is also formulated with nourishing ingredients to keep the hair healthy and hydrated. When I applied this product on top of the activator, I immediately felt my hair get really dry, which let me know these products don't work well together. There were no white flakes and my curls were still nice, but after a couple of days, my hair was super dry. I do think these products work well alone, but I won't ever use them together again. After I applied the mousse gel, I went ahead and did the same steps to the rest of my hair. After I was done styling my hair, my curls were very defined and my hair looked moisturized. I then went ahead and diffused it, and this is how it looked the next day. I think my hair came out pretty good overall. My curls were defined, I had volume, and it had even a nice shine to it, but my hair was dry. I really did like these products, and I would use them again, just not together. I recommend you trying some of their products as well, and if you have already, let me know in the comments what are some of your favorites. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. And like always, thank you for watching.